An ASI file is a GTA 5 mod plugin, a DLL-based extension that injects custom modifications into Grand Theft Auto V through a mod loader. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these mod plugins. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening ASI files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. ASI files are renamed DLL plugin files loaded by the ASI Loader modification for Grand Theft Auto V and other Rockstar games. They implement custom game modifications including trainers, graphics enhancements, gameplay changes, and new features using the game's scripting APIs. GTA ASI files are standard Windows DLL files, renamed with the ASI extension and loaded into the game process by the ASI Loader or ScriptHookV during game startup. They use Rockstar's native function pointers exposed by ScriptHookV to interact with game internals. This proprietary format is best opened by Grand Theft Auto V from Rockstar games for the ASI type. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows cannot interpret interface or extension data, so plugins require their matching program. Start by right-clicking the ASI file and selecting Open With. Test Grand Theft Auto V first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some ASI files are very particular about the opener. If the ASI file won't open, don't panic. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, installing ASI Mods. Install ScriptHookV from alexanderblattprohosting.com to enable ASI loading in GTA V. Copy the ASI plugin file to the GTA V root installation directory alongside ScriptHookV.l. Launch the game and the ASI loader will automatically load all ASI plugins present. Next, troubleshooting crashes. If GTA V crashes, after adding an ASI file, remove the ASI file from the game directory and test stability. Conflicts between ASI plugins are common. Enable ScriptHookV logging to identify which plugin causes the crash. Update ScriptHookV after each GTA V update. Finally, online safety warning. Never use ASI mods in GTA Online as Rockstar's easy anti-cheat will detect unauthorized DLL injections and issue permanent bans. Only use ASI modifications in GTA V story mode. Always disable mods before launching GTA Online to prevent account suspension. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.